Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. Well, here's something you don't hear me say often. It is starting to rain at the moment. That is very weird. This is the month of January. We're at the end of January and it's starting to rain. All right. Well, I just received this car. This is an ARRMA Fireteam. It's like a basher, crasher, super high speed, flips, jumps. It's pretty cool. It's got little guys in it with assault weapons, which I've never seen before on a like politically correct car for family and teenagers and kids. Super powerful brushless motor, everything else. You know what? This is really awesome. Now this video, since I'm making it in the month of January, I probably won't show it until the month of February. So in the month of February, when you're watching this, it's probably already on the market and you can go buy yourself one. So with all that said, how about I show you why I think this is a really cool vehicle. Oh, and before I even get to that part, let me tell you, I bought this with my own money. Yes, I actually picked this out, bought it with my own money. I just had to have it when I saw it. It was an impulse buy. Anyways, let me show you why I think it's so cool. Check this out. First thing you'll notice is this is a large 1/7 scale four-wheel drive RC car, which comes in white or black camouflage design. I chose the white version. The tires are very large with a nice tread pattern and very grippy. The Fireteam characters have a nice design to them and look pretty good. The front and the rear of the vehicle is designed for bashing. Undo 3 latches and the cover comes off. The car can run on any combination of batteries up to a total of 6S, and please note batteries are not included. The car has super strong aluminum shock towers and aluminum shocks. The car comes equipped with a ARRMA 4074 2050 kV brushless motor. The ESC can handle 150 amps. All gears are metal design. All electronics are waterproof. A 3-channel 2.4 GHz spectrum transmitter is included. Accessories are comprised of several metal tools, gears and replacement parts, an instruction manual, warranty information and parts list, and finally ARRMA stickers. Even though it's raining, it still is kind of cold out, but it's very wet and damp, so I'm going to connect the battery. Take off the top, comes off nicely, turn on my remote. So in the car I put 2 5000 milliamp hour 3S LiPo batteries, which gives a total of 6S, so full power. All right, so both batteries are connected and we're going to put the cover on, but first thing I'm going to make sure is once again double check that's on. I'm going to power this on. There we go. It comes to life. It makes all sorts of scary sounds. Now it is pretty dark out here, so I did bring a little light and I'm probably going to stick this light in the front here so we have some headlights coming out the front. That's the only thing I'm kind of disappointed in, that they didn't put a light system up front. I'll also put a GoPro Hero, I think that's a 7. I like to bash these up. I have a lot of them. I'll put that on top to get some video as we're bombing it around for the very first time. All right, so this thing here should go. Yep, it's 4-wheel drive. All right, we'll take our first drive with this. Now I have to mention I've already adjusted the brakes because every ARRMA vehicle out of the box comes with like 35% brakes. You have to adjust it to like 100%, 80%, 70%, 50%, whatever, 40%. I put these at about 80% because if you don't and you're going fast and you put the brakes on, it just slowly puts the brakes on and you'll crash into something at the last minute. I don't have a lot of space out here to drive, so yeah. So anyways, let's go down. Got the camera on, there's some slush and water. Spin through that. Whoa, you gotta be careful there. So here we go, let me check out my 80% brakes here. I'll bring it back and I'll just put the brakes on. And brakes. Let's go, throttle. Whoa, then it goes squirrely if you lose the traction. Now if I haven't mentioned it already, the reason I bought this vehicle is because of just the way it's designed. If you take a look at it here, looking down at it, you see the way the wheels are out everywhere? That's really good for my type of the world where I have snow, I have mud, I have tall grass, you know, summer, winter, everything. You want the wheels to be out because you do not want objects to get stuck between the wheel and the wheel wells. And you can see right now with the snow and everything, it's doing perfect. Speaking of that, let's take it through the snow. I don't think it's going to go too well because this snow with the rain is pretty wet. Let me just go check a piece of snow over here. I bet you it's perfect snowball weather. Yep, that's a snowball weather, so you can make snowballs here, and yeah, that's not good for any vehicle. It will just sink in and spin the wheels. I'm going through the snow. Wet snow, she's still going. Oh, that's pretty sweet. So on your remote here, you have something that's going to lock up the rear wheels. It's like a handbrake. It's right here. So if I go forward, I'll just show you slow and handbrake. It's like putting on the brakes. So if you didn't put like 100% or 80% on your brakes right here, you can put the 100% on your handbrake. The reason it's there is because if you take a corner, I'll see if I can do it. Handbrake. See that? You can leave the gas on because if you put brakes on a vehicle, put the brakes on, it just stops. There's no more power going to the wheels. But if you give it power and put a handbrake on, the motor powers the wheels at the same time that the brake is on. So you get some pretty cool things happening. All right, here comes a car. Gotta let car, just like a hockey game. Car. And here we go. And handbrake and turn. It's a little bit full of snow here, but it's looking good. All right, so what I'm gonna do is take it to a different parking lot. There's a parking lot over there and a big field of snow. I don't think it will drive well in it because these are not snow tires, but we'll see how it goes. Let's check this out. Here we are in a different parking lot, a lot of snow. Keep away from those cars. This is a lot more fun in this snow. All right, so I'm gonna take this GoPro and I'm gonna stick it here. It should jump over the GoPro. Try this over the GoPro. This thing is awesome. Whoa, I took out 2 GoPros. Well, I didn't jump over either. I smashed into them. I killed this one. And then I killed this one. Oh, that doesn't look good. All right. All right, 2 dented GoPros later, I'll just put these aside. I'm surprised this actually works as well as it does in the snow, given the tires that are on it. Those are not paddle tires, they are not snow tires, they are like just mud and dirt tires. I'll take it for speed tests in the summertime. I can't do speed tests now because I don't have a long stretch of anything to drive it on. If you enjoy RC cars, this is a good one. I like this one. I think I'll keep this for a very long time. All right, guys, thanks for watching the video. If you have any comments on this car or questions, post them below and I'll get back to you. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up. And I'll catch you in the next video. Bye!